The main cause of early aging is cognitive decline. As your brain ages, the capacity to learn, retain, and apply new learning wanes. Your cognitive ability includes attention, language, reasoning, memory, and knowledge. We need healthy neurons to maintain cognitive function. Exercise increases the flow of oxygen and blood to the brain, reduces cortisol levels, and increases the production of chemicals that benefit neural connections. Stress management helps alleviate chronic stress that destroys brain cells and cognitive abilities, and promotes depression and anxiety. Challenge your mind with puzzles, brain teasers, Sudoku, riddles, crosswords, in-backs apps, and thought-stimulating games. Get social, as it improves mentality, which improves cognitive abilities and helps prevent depression, isolation, stress, and loneliness. Get good sleep, as poor sleep weakens memory and attention span, and promotes stress, fatigue, and your ability to make decisions. Get regular massages, as massage has a positive effect on cognitive abilities by relaxing the mind and body for better focus and less stress. Enjoy music. It calms and relaxes to divert your attention from stress, thereby improving cognitive function. A variety of supplements can boost cognitive ability, including adaptogens, stimulants, racetams, and metabolic. Get your omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, walnuts, wheat germ, and spinach to significantly boost brain power, development, and cognitive abilities. Yoga relieves stress, promotes calm and relaxation, improves memory, and combats depression. Thanks for watching. Stay well and take good care of your mind.